Hello, theorists. Neil here again, and welcome back to Option Theory. It is Monday, April 13th, 2020, and we're going to do our weekly portfolio recap. It's been a few weeks since I've done this, but we're just going to cover the past 7 days worth of trade activities. I've been back in it past week. All right, so up on screen, which you can't see right now because I'm just starting to learn how to use OBS. You're seeing me right now, so let's hop on over to, I believe, this is the scene that I'm looking for. Yeah, so I'm down in the little corner there. I made myself small. You can see my screen, and we can see that we're inside of Thinkorswim in a paper trade account, a paper money account. It's all simulated. Remember, what I'm encouraging you to do here is simulated trading. So you can put your theory to the test. You can prove to yourself before you put real money on the line, although you should treat this like real money, right? To get the most bang out of this one for your buck here, you want to pretend this is your real money that somebody gave you to invest for them, right? I digress. We are in that simulated trading account. You can do almost everything you can do in a real account here inside of paper money and Thinkorswim. And it's a great way for you to get started. So that's just a little plug on why I think this is great. So over here, you see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions still currently on. Not all of them are doing great. Some of them may take a turn for the worse. Over here, I have on my custom watch list that I put together in a different video. I'll link to that. I can barely see my up there somewhere. Okay, you should see a card slide in. But this lets us know what's been going on since the futures market opened yesterday. 6 p.m. Eastern time, right? So we can see that crude is up only a small percentage, right? Usually crude's been moving big percentages. But hey, when I went to bed last night, it was up almost 5%, I think. So this has probably been fluctuating here. The S&Ps are down, gold is down. I don't quite get this. It used to be pretty obvious that when this would go down, this would go up, and vice versa, right? You're not seeing that these days. Silver's down quite a bit. Nasdaq's down. Usually these two are pretty close together, your S&Ps and your Nasdaq. So it's looking like it's starting to be a down day for the market in general. So that's sort of looking at what the week ahead is. Let's see what we've done in the past. I'm going to go over to I switched my account to margin, and I'm going to go over to the account statement tab. And I've got my history set to statement for 7 days back from today, so that we can see all the trades that have filled in the past 7 days. So we can see on April 7th, we opened a Walmart trade, and then we closed it again over here on the 9th. So 2 days later, we took a profit. And then down below here, I have my profit and losses twirled open so that we can go and see wherever Walmart is. And we took a $85 profit in 2 days. I don't remember what the percentage is on that one. I could go back and figure that out. But I felt that was an adequate percentage. I want to say it was near in the 30s or 40%, like that. When you get that in such a short period of time, I will call that a tasty trade recommendation to take your profits and run, which is, I know, very different from some of the advice you may get from other people. One of the reasons I like tasty trade. All right, so we see here, we also put on a Starbucks order, and now this one was is it a short call or a long call spread? Let's see. We sold the 72 and bought the 75. So that's going to be a short call, right? Yes, that's a short call. So we received a credit of $1 on that one. And what we're hoping is that Starbucks does not rebound all that much. Although I did read an article in my Apple News feed today on my phone that of course, the projections are once the coronavirus goes away that this will go back up. And I would agree. Once people get back out, they're going to start hitting up their coffee places. Corn futures. We put this on in previous week, and I took this off. Honestly, I just wanted to see. I've been having troubles with future orders. going to approved and not working. And I did get that for a little while. It wouldn't close. So I tried it the next day and it magically worked. So really, this one isn't necessarily one I would have closed per se, but I was just testing the futures. Remember, this is a vid. I think I covered this in a different post, but you have to get yourself approved to do futures, even in a paper trade account. And you do that, remember, up here in the support chat area. You request that you would like to have futures enabled in your paper money account. Disney, let's see. We closed the Disney position here. And how do we do with Disney? All right, $123. I know that wasn't necessarily the full possible profit because this was a naked option, right? We closed that one, and I'm happy with that amount of a profit. Comcast, we opened here as well with another naked option, and we'll have to see how that's doing right now. Comcast. All right, so not doing amazing right now, and if the market's coming down, this probably will vaporize into nothing soon. But what we're looking for, remember, the mechanic, the tastytrade mechanic on this one says that if you have a naked option, you have to cut your losses when you get to 3 times the credit received, right? And so if the credit received here was a $1.82, right? We're nowhere near having to cut this, okay? Because we're still in the profit and loss, but we know we positive P&L. All right. So that covers what we've done in the past week. And we can see here, go back to the activity and positions, that we are overall for the year, since we've begun this paper trading simulated experiment here, allegedly up $661. That feels pretty good considering what's been going on in the market. So yeah. That's that. That is what we're looking for today. Our cherry bomb email today from Tom Sosnoff talks about some fun things here, and particularly it looks at the way in which the government bailout affects us and what could be done by companies that have the ability to take care of their employees rather than their, let's just say, their board members. Good read. So link is going to be in the description below. Sign up for tastytrade's email blast where you get their cherry bomb emails every morning. For me, it comes in at 5:01 a.m. every day. And so these videos on Tuesday through Friday, when they have trades in them, will come out at 9:30 in the morning when that opening bell rings Eastern Standard Time. So whatever time zone you're in, it should be ringing about the same time this comes out. So if you like this kind of thing, please hit the thumbs up, or if you want to see more of it, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so that be notified when the video is live. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.